Hello, this is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator. So happy to be joined this afternoon by Randy Stearns, who is CEO of D-Tools. Good to see you again, Randy.
Hey, Dan, great to see you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I really do appreciate having the opportunity to talk to you, especially about something that is so positive as D-Tools winning a Quest for Quality award. As you know, the Quest for Quality awards are a little bit different from some of the other awards programs that honor technologies or that honor products or something like that. This is much more about the companies. It's much more about the people, and it's very much from the ground up. It's a grassroots kind of an awards program where integrators name the winners. And obviously, for those who have not seen the Quest for Quality coverage we've already had on our site, D-Tools has won in the Best Manufacturer category for customer service and general communication. So before I start giving my question list and going through some of the details, I just want to say congratulations.
Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about what it means to D-Tools to have won a Quest for Quality award in that category. Again, customer service, general communication. Does the award have any particular significance to D-Tools? Because as I say, commercial integrators, integrator readers bestow it. It's not something that the editors come up with. It's not something that is kind of dictated. It's something that's from the grassroots.
Yeah, I would firstly say thank you for the award, and that any award is meaningful as far as I'm concerned. It means that we're doing something right, which is fantastic, and it's nice to be recognized. The Quest for Quality award is more meaningful because it's voted on by customers and users of our software as a result of their conversations with our people and exchanges and interactions. And those are the folks that are in the trenches and using our software every day and talking to our team. So absolutely, it means more than the typical award, I would say, that's just bestowed on us, as you say, by some media outlet or agency.
I appreciate that for sure. I also want to dig a little bit into D-Tools company ethos when it comes to providing attentive service to and forthright communication with your customers and your partners. Can you explain a little bit about how that ethos informs the practices of your customer success team overall? Because I'm sure that's something that really suffuses your organization.
Yeah, it is. It was about 7 years ago, the executive team came to the conclusion that customer success needed to be our primary focus. Since then, we've transitioned from having 2 people in the tech support department serving that client base to nearly 50% of all of our staff that is now on the customer success side of the business. So we have invested a lot in team training, tools, and I feel like we've made a lot of progress, a lot of good progress. Certainly, there is still room to improve. And I'm personally involved with that team and our customers every single day. It's very rare that a day goes by where I'm not on the phone with a customer or working with one of our team members, retention team members, focusing on those issues that customers might be having and how we can do a better job or solve a problem for them.
Well, those investments in customer success, I think, certainly show. They're very clear. Tell me a little bit about D-Tools' overall channel centricity. Obviously, when you're talking about a publication like Commercial Integrator, it says right in the name, we're for integrators, we're for the channel. How important is the integrator channel, as well as businesses that are part of it, to D-Tools and its continuing success?
Yeah, good question. Up to this point, and it's been 24 years, the integrator channel has been the only channel we've operated in. So we work with some subsets within the system integrator channel. We work with the residential sector, residential systems contractors. We work with commercial audio video contractors, commercial security integrators, and more recently, building controls contractors. But they're all low voltage systems integrators, and that's the only sector that we are involved with. You asked about the channel centricity, and we consider the channel to be much more than just the integrator performing the work. It's the vendors that supply them, which we have a very tight relationship with nearly all manufacturers and suppliers in the industry. That's where we get the product information and pricing information that flows through our software that enables our customers to work more efficiently and have accurate and up-to-date proposals every day. We work with the media, like you folks. We work with all of the trade associations in the industry. We work with various buying groups and industry groups. So we are very central to everything going on in the industry, and those relationships are all really meaningful to us.
Well, kudos for that relationship mindedness. It's something obviously that resonates with commercial integrators, raison d'etre, and I know your partners recognize and appreciate it. I really do appreciate your time this afternoon, Randy. I do have one more question for you. Just any closing thoughts that you might have about D-Tools having won this Quest for Quality award? Does it inspire any kind of fresh plans or ideas for 2023, or is it an affirmation that you should go full steam ahead on what D-Tools has been successfully doing?
I would say mostly it's a validation or affirmation of the effort that we've and investment that we've made in this part of the business. We are always working to be better, and that mostly comes from the input that we receive from our customers, both on the product side and on the service side. So we encourage customers to keep that input coming. It's what keeps us going. So thank you to all of our customers that are using the product and providing feedback. It's super meaningful.
Well, thank you, Randy, for being here with me today. I appreciate you sharing your perspective and your insights with Commercial Integrators audience and with me. Thank you so much, Randy Stearns, CEO of D-Tools, for being here with me today.
Thanks, Dan.
My name is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator. Please check back on commercialintegrator.com each and every day for more insightful and informative content just like this. Have a great day.